Hi. Um, I'm sorry about yesterday. You know what happened? I I started sending to some people
Yes.
advertising, advertising on WhatsApp.
Uh,
Then WhatsApp
okay.
blocked me in the
Why?
evening because I was sharing with too many people. I think
Uh,
this was the reason. I don't know. Maybe someone um not denounced me. I don't know how to say, but someone said something like, don't know, complained about me. Maybe
okay.
someone complained about me. Maybe, I'm not sure. One of the people I shared. And then they blocked it for 24 hours. I was desperate. I came here and I waited I waited for you for 10 minutes.
Oh my
But
God.
maybe you entered after.
Yes, because I was busy yesterday.
Yes, I saw
And
you asked for 10 minutes.
yes.
Yeah.
Oh, teachers, sorry too.
No, it's okay. Yes, I say sorry because yes, my mistake. Now I'm not going to share anything on WhatsApp anymore.
Yes.
Yes, because I'm afraid I lose if I lose this account. Oh my gosh, big trouble. I have a big trouble trying to find
Yes.
everybody again.
You don't have a second number?
I do have. I have another cell phone too. But yes, just would have
But
to
all your
transfer the numbers to the other
yeah,
cell phone. Yes,
it's a
and then
little, I don't know.
trouble,
It's more
troublesome,
trouble.
troublesome,
Yes.
troublesome. Okay,
Okay.
troublesome.
Now, yes. I claim
Yeah.
my.
So could you prepare something about that presentation?
I start to prepare something, but I
Uh-huh.
don't finish
Okay.
because
Can I take a look
big.
or not?
It's very. I just make the capa. How to
Uh,
say?
you
How to
don't need to
say?
do this. The cover.
Yes, I just do the cover. I
Uh,
think about some things to say, but I don't study about teacher, so I can tell you in Portuguese, but in English it's very hard
it's
because
very
it's
difficult. Uh-huh.
yes, because it's a lot of
Technical. It's
technical
technical.
sentences. Yes,
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
but I start to write something to tell
Uh-huh.
you.
Yes, you can try to make it simple because I'm not a technician. So
Yes,
if you use your own words to try to explain, not using technical sense, one or another technical name you can use, but it would be
no.
no need just to explain
If you
your
if you one minute.
I can let you share. Do you want to share?
It's on my PCs. Wait a minute. Let me
Let I'm going to
log in
allow
with
you to
my.
share. You're going to enter with another profile.
Yes, I will enter with my
Okay.
PC. Aqui, right. Just a minute, because my WhatsApp it's so lento. I don't know how to say lento.
So
Is slow
no.
as low. Yes, it's 80, 80 19%, 95%, 100%. Yes. Here.
Percent.
Yeah, percent. Percent.
Person, I was thinking 95
What is
percent.
it? Yes,
Percent.
I will. Percent. Okay, T. I know. Like here. Vinicius, okay.
This meeting is being recorded.
Right, okay. Aí eu aparecer, minimizar. Aqui, share. For this account is unable for me to share my screen, teacher.
Oh, no, I can, which one? I can let you, multiple participants. Yes,
Okay.
I try now, try now.
Ah, okay. Here.
Ah, cute,
Yes.
cute.
Yes, I started to make something, but I can't. I just make that and I stop here because
Okay.
I
I
in my mind.
so lovely. I want it to be done.
Yes, I will
You have to
finish this.
finish it. Yes.
Yes, and I in my mind I think about my starting Portuguese,
Uh-huh.
and after
Yes.
I will translate page after page. I don't know, página por página,
Não,
page
se
by
você.
page.
Vamos lá, deixa eu falar. Let me tell you. If you are going to use slides
Mm-hmm.
to make your presentation, don't write too many things on the slides. Just a few words. But you
Okay.
have to be able to explain in English everything. For example, this is written in Portuguese. The I don't know the
This,
path. What is
the
RSU?
RSU is type of lixo. I don't know, type of waste.
Is it in Português?
Tá em português. It's
Como é
in
que é?
português.
O que está escrito aqui em português?
RSU é resíduos sólidos urbanos.
Ah, okay, so you should resíduos sólidos urbanos. Resíduos. Let me try. Resíduos.
All right. I think I'll
Urban,
write some.
urban, solid, residues. Yes. No. Urban solid waste. Let me
Urbans.
solid waste. I'm going to send to you. Ah, this is, you see, ChatGPT sent me.
Let's see.
Yes, just a second. I'm sending you 3 images.
Okay.
Spread by individuals, households, businesses, and institutions in urban areas. Urban,
Okay.
urban. Deixa eu ver se é urban or urban. Urban, urban areas. Okay. And yes, sources, you see sources, management,
Mm-hmm.
challenges, types, examples of solid urban residues. Let me see. But you can use waste. Waste, I think residues. You can use the word waste, W. Waste. Waste. Instead of residues. Difficult word. Domestic
Yes.
waste, commercial waste, industrial waste. So It's all about this, right?
Yes, I'm
Your
talking about
presentation would be about this.
yes, about urban waste, I think. I think no, it's
Yes,
urban waste.
yes. Importance of solid urban residues of management, environmental protection, public health, resource recovery, energy generation. Okay, you can say about this, but how it works, right? You're
Yes.
going to explain how it works in the case of your company.
Yes, exactly.
Mhm. And in Itu specifically,
In not in
anywhere.
Itu, in that tuba, because I
Okay.
work in that tuba, but
Okay.
it's also for very other cities around me because
Company.
my company was in thir- uh 15 15 cities, I think.
15, 15.
15, 15,
Ah, okay.
yes,
In São Paulo,
yes.
in the
Eh,
state of São Paulo.
State of São Paulo and Espírito Santo. We
Ah,
have two,
okay.
3 cities in Espírito Santo
Okay.
and 12,
Yes,
12, 12 in São
12 in
Paulo.
São Paulo. But you were telling me last time that you were really excited trying to explain to me about, not sure if it's because not the collect process of the waste, but you were telling me about what they do with the waste.
Exactly. This is the most
So,
most important part of the company, I
yes,
think,
yes,
for the population and the
yes,
world.
yes. So I think that you should focus on this part.
Okay.
You can
So
explain everything, how it is collected, how it is separated, how it is, don't know, yes, management types. Yes, types, commercial waste. This is too technical
yeah,
because,
to
yes,
take.
this chat GPT was too technical and this explanation is too technical. But you can make it more fun, explaining about the final the destination of this waste,
Okay.
that it doesn't go just to because I imagine that these kinds of companies, they collect the recyclable, right?
Yes.
The mm, the recyclable materials, and they resell these materials. They like clean, and this is I think everybody imagines the same way. We think
Yes.
that you just separate the materials, you clean, you make it you commerciable, like you can sell something that you can sell to different companies that use these materials, and you sell for
Yes.
a very low price. So
Yes, exactly.
yes, but this is what you do, right?
What my company do? I do a different thing in my company. It's I am I am a little part of the all process, do you know?
Okay.
So let's start on begin, right?
Mhm,
In the Atuba where
mhm.
my company are installed, I don't know,
Is
instalado
located. Is
is
located.
lo okay, is located. We have some different different types of collect. I don't know how to say
Yeah,
this.
coleta. Yes,
Yes.
let's find this word. Yeah, collection.
Collection.
Yes, I think so.
So
Collection. Garbage
okay,
collection. Yeah.
garbage collection. Okay, I can say the can. I think can for the lixeira. It's can or not.
A can or bin. Bin or can. Trash bin or
Bin,
trash can. Yes.
trash bin. Okay, trash bin. We have two types of trash bin in my city, in
Uh-huh.
Datuba city, in Datuba.
Mhm.
One to dirt waste like uh,
Food.
food,
Uh,
foods, and
but
all
what's the
all
name in Portuguese? The technical name.
é, é
Lixo
resíduo mesmo.
sujo?
Não,
Lixo
é
sujo?
resíduo só. A gente não usa lixo. Lixo não existe.
É, eu sei.
Lixo é resíduos sólidos mesmo, resíduos sólidos urbanos.
Tudo sólido. Esse é a
Yes.
comida e tal.
It's
The,
all waste
I've heard
that this
I've
the
heard about
city.
the wet,
Okay,
maybe wet waste. Is it possible?
okay, wet waste is not the wrong thing because the wet waste it's like organic waste
Yeah. Ah, okay.
because this they they confused by water and decompone. I don't know how to say.
Decompose.
Eles se decompõem.
Decompose.
Decompõem.
Decompose.
Decompõem.
Decompose. Decompose.
Decompose. Oh, this type of waste decompose. So this composition. Okay. This type of waste decompose and the decompose, right? The
Yes.
wet waste.
Yes.
And
And
eh,
other
the
materials,
dry
they don't
yes,
decompose, right?
the dry waste, like the
Dry
opposite.
waste. Yes.
Yes, but we don't use dry waste.
Ah,
Just like in informal talks, you know?
dry waste is for informal talks.
Yes, informal talks.
Yes, I am an amateur.
Okay. Because the right thing it's
Uh-huh.
when we talk about
Mhm.
uh, paper, plastic, or this type of things, we say recyclable, you know,
Recyclable. Yes.
recyclable waste, urban solid waste,
Recyclable.
and recyclable waste. So in my city, we have these two type of trash can. One for dry waste and one
Mhm.
for wet waste.
Mhm. Dry and wet, but this terminology is informal. So
Yes,
what is the
recyclable,
formal? What's the formal uh, terms for this? The
recyclable,
wet,
recyclable. Wet is like
recyclable is should be the wet. Waste is no
yes, recyclable is
wet waste.
dry, no, dry. Sorry, dry.
Dry. Ah, okay.
Yes,
Yes,
and
plastic,
plastic.
aluminum, and etc.
Yes,
Okay.
paper.
Paper, okay.
What else?
Hmm.
It's the
Rubber.
most common.
Yes.
Yes, the most common are these two types,
Mhm.
but we have different things
Yes.
like dry. Uh, wood can be dry waste
Wood, yes, wood also.
because can be recyclable too.
Yes, okay, okay.
And
So
wet,
it's the urban solid waste is divided in recyclable and non-recyclable waste.
no, what it's a lot of things. It's I think
Ah,
very, but I don't work with all of this type of
okay. So in
waste.
your presentation, you don't mention them. You don't need to talk about
No,
them. Yes.
I will talk about the difference
Mhm.
about this. No, I don't know. I didn't talk. I will not talk about the difference. I don't talk about the difference about this way. Just I pre- eu pretendo falar alguma
I
coisa assim.
intend. I
I
intend.
intend I intend to say about oh say I intend to say that exists a lot of
Uh-huh. Type,
categor types
type,
of waste.
category.
Yes, categories types
No,
because we have
categories. Okay, type,
yes
type.
type because the industry
Mhm.
pro produce
Produce.
gera produce I
Yeah,
don't know
generate.
generate a lot of types of waste
Ah, okay.
and each waste has one type to destination to recyclable, you know,
To recycle.
to recycle. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Let me
Mhm.
like for example,
Mm.
the one pharmaceutical industry.
Uh-huh.
The waste is like chemical waste.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
So and I don't my company
Company.
works with this type of waste, but
Work.
I don't work with this type of waste in
Ah,
my
okay.
day.
Okay.
You know,
Okay.
I just I just work with the recyclable
Mm.
and RSU. I don't know how to say in English. RSU.
Então, é urban solid waste. Or
Ah, urban as
urban,
waste.
urban
Urban
solid
solid waste.
waste. Yes. Or the
Okay.
word residue. Mhm. But it's hard to say residue. Mm.
Urban solid waste is like USW.
US, yes, USW or USR. USR.
USR. Oh,
Residue. Yes. USR. USR.
oh,
Or
USR.
USW. Both are
Let
the
me.
same. Waste, right? Residue.
Sorry, I
Residues.
residues.
Res,
Residue.
residues. Residues.
Residue.
Yes. I difficult to remember this name. Residue.
Yes, so
That's why
so
I'm,
very
yes,
a lot of new words, I think.
yes. But
Residue.
it's good because it's about your job. I think that it's very important for you to know this vocabulary in English. And you never know. Maybe one day you work abroad, maybe you get hired, better, much, much, much better salary to work in
Yes.
China. I don't know. You
Oh,
never
yeah.
know, right?
China produce a lot of residues, I think.
Do you know that in
Residues.
2018, until many years until 2018, they were buying and receiving the waste of the whole world,
Yeah.
China. And We thought they were recycling I don't think so. At the end, I think great part of the the waste was just going, they were depositing in one place. And I'm not sure because it's hard to find this kind of information. But I watched one video saying something about it. But after 2018, they said, no, we are not going to buy the waste of the world. And then these countries started. But I think that great part, which countries produce the highest level, highest number of waste in the world?
I think it's
USA
the
or China?
I think it's China because the
You think, but you're not sure.
yes, I'm not sure
Mhm.
because when we have more peoples, we have more
More
residue,
trash. Yes, residues.
more trash, more
Yes.
residue,
Residues. Residues.
residues.
Yes, residues. Okay. Yes, I understand. But uh, the USA is the number one in
Oh, yeah,
consumption
I
in
am.
the world.
Yes, I search in my PC and
Uh-huh.
oh my God, it's the the sorry, the USA is the number one
I
and China number
knew.
two.
I knew
Yes,
that. Yes. Because nowadays, the government stimulates people to consume more.
yes,
Is incentivate, motivate consumption in China. But before they didn't consume as much as nobody consume, any country in the world consume more than the USA. And the
oh my
population of the
God,
USA comparing to Brazil, for example,
oh my
is
God.
million, 330 million people. In Brazil, 220 million.
Yes, it's like
So so if you compare, Brazil is almost the same size, I mean, in terms of population than the USA. But USA consumes what the whole world, more than the whole world together, consumes.
yes,
They're
oh
crazy.
my God, this is very crazy.
Yes, but you know why? Because this gives power to them.
Mm, yeah,
Because they,
they can buy a lot of things, do you know? And
yes,
they don't think about the
exactly.
waste, the degenerate of waste.
Yes, because they consume a lot. But when I got first in China, I was surprised at the way they pack things. For example, they are really fond of um, packing stuff. If you buy a cookie, for example, it's not a cookie, yeah, a snack. It's
Okay, cookie.
something, yeah, cookies. They wrap each one of the cookies and they put on a plastic tray and then they wrap with another pack. You
Oh,
know, yes, they pack things too many times and you unfold and only one cookie in.
no, okay.
But in Brazil, we
I
don't do this. We
no.
In Brazil, they just wrap with one pack, right? One. And
Yes, just
then they
one
put
big pack.
all the cookies inside.
Yes, but it's it's relation. I don't know, a relacionado relationship. I don't
It's
know.
related.
It's
Related.
related about the population, do you know? Because in
It's
Brazil we
culture.
yes, culture is culture, culture.
Culture. It's
It's
culture.
about. culture.
Yes, it's about culture because everything, the Chinese culture pays attention is when they say, it's keep face. They like to keep face. What's to keep
Keep
face? It's
keep
to look, yes, keep
face.
face. It's to, you always need to show something, show things are, você tá bem.
Mm.
I think
Ah, okay.
maybe we are the same way on Instagram,
Yes.
but they
Yes,
they
right.
don't they don't show their private lives on Instagram. They don't do this. But if
Mm.
they give a present, big pack, big thing, maybe something cheap,
Okay.
maybe something cheap, or yeah, not so, or maybe some craft, no craft, artesanato, something like this, but they put inside two boxes and one big bag with a knot, with a
Na bowl.
bow, lá, big red bow. Né?
Ah, okay. Bowl.
Yes. So, not, also not. Tá como bom, não. Não, não tá como bom, não. Not. Red bowl, yes, red bowl. Então tá certo.
Then I was
Ah, was
here.
okay. Oh, I
And
don't see.
they,
I don't see you.
you don't see me. Sorry, teacher.
It's okay.
Ah, here. I'm here.
I'm here.
Hey, yes, I'm here. I was.
Just disappeared. Said, wow, he left
Uh,
the internet. No, but then I saw
no,
you.
I'm here.
Okay.
So
So,
you talk about the Chinese
yeah, so they stopped it. This changes the route, the route or route. What is it?
route.
A rota.
Yes.
Hum,
Ah, tá.
Route. The garbage. Yes, because they were sending to China. China was buying from everywhere, hospitals, many things. And but I don't think they were really recycling. Most of the trash they were not recycling. Then by 2018, they said, no way, we're not going
You receive more
to receive.
waste.
Yes. I'm not
Receive.
sure if they were buying this or maybe some exchange or like
Yes.
export import. Ah, yes, if you buy Chinese products, we receive your garbage. I mean, your waste.
Um,
Maybe, I'm not sure what was the deal, but China was receiving the trash of the whole world. But
yes.
after 2018, they just
Stop.
stopped.
Yes,
Yeah,
because
yes.
to recycle and recycle and re
Re-
reaproveitar,
Reuse, reuse,
yes, recycle and reuse
reuse.
waste
Yes, yes,
is very expensive. It's very expensive.
yes. You see, yes.
And
So they were not doing anything with that garbage.
yeah, and I think more some countries prefer to send your waste to another country,
Yes, to
even
Africa,
yes, even
you know,
r-
in
r-
Chile, the wall, the Cordillera, Cordillera dos
yes,
Andes, they found
okay.
in the desert, everywhere they find now garbage, waste,
Oh my God,
everywhere
that
in areas that nobody goes. I mean, yes, I watched some videos, some news about this. I didn't go deep, or I'm just curious about this information because it's
yes.
yeah, it's worrying, right? We feel like nobody is caring about. Also, under the sea,
Yes, I
plastic
was
bags.
yes. I've you heard about the Plastic Island or
What's
Waste
the name?
Island?
Waste Island.
Yes, it's
In China? No.
I think it's not in China. Let me search where, but
Uh,
mm,
mm,
Ilha, but it's some island
mhm,
mixed with waste because the industry, the countries
mhm.
jogou, I don't know how to say
Through,
through the
through,
waste
exactly.
through the
To
waste
throw,
through
through,
through
uh, thrown.
the
To throw, thrown. Jogar.
through okay,
Jogar.
the
Jogar fora, né?
so through okay.
Throw.
Some countries I don't know how
Mhm.
throw the waste
Mhm.
on ocean
In the ocean.
in
In
the ocean,
the ocean.
and this waste aglu- se fundir. I don't know how to say the
Ah, se
waste.
fundiram. Peraí.
Quer dizer, não é fundir, aglomerou. The waste
Merged.
merger.
Merged.
Okay, merger,
Yes.
merge. Okay, the waste merged and
Mhm.
and become a island of waste.
I cannot believe it.
Yes,
Wow, that's
and
scary.
yes, it's not a small one. It's small. It's big. It's so
Big.
big. Yes,
Scary. Oh my
in
gosh.
on Pacific Ocean.
In the Pacific Ocean. Yes, in the Pacific
Yes,
Ocean.
in
But
in the Pacific Ocean.
yes, we need to search about it, but I think China is taking some measures about yes, pollution because of their industries, not the air pollution, right? Not just the air pollution. Yes.